Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Adidja, Pama, Red Boss, Gaza generally teacher. You see me? Yeah, with a song called From My Barn. So, I'm gonna jump in the one here with the GSA. Probably a lot of stuff go over my head because you don't know until this is Kartel. And Kartel is that guy that does this kind of shit. You see me? So we're gonna jump in the one and hear what the GSA. So let's go. The sun on my eye button, watch it. Sun on my face button, watch it. Watch the video. Yeah, let's go.
You cannot see the truth, and you cannot give the truth.
Nice job.
When you're confronted with Jesus Christ, what is your reaction?
From a band, them a tell me believe in a Jesus, but nobody suffer like the believers.
This is the shit to me I talk about. This is the shit I've always been talking about. And when I say them things to my friend, them say, yo, me not believe. Me not believe. And me a sinner. Yes, me a bumbleclad sinner. Me have to be sinner. Cause them things don't make no sense, brother. The believer always suffer the most, G. The believer always suffer the most. Them found Africa, them give you Christianity and take away everything else. Take all of the riches. Yo, I don't want to get too deep into this one, because I don't want YouTube flag my video. Let's go, man.
From a band, them a tell me believe in a Jesus, but nobody suffer like the believers. Take away your money in the name of the Lord, and the name on the bank book don't have a Jesus.
Jesus Christ. God tell you everything, man, brother. Pastor, take the money in a Jesus name. Bank it in a fame name. Spend it in a fame name. Always been doing this. You wanna go deeper? Watch it now. Your grandmother, God forbid, your grandmother passed away. See? Your grandmother has been going to church since she was a teenager. She's an avid Christian. She go to church every Sunday. She throw her offering. Yeah? She go to church, she passed away. See? Passed away. For the church her body, you as her family member have to pay that church there. And she been going to church. She been throwing her offering. She been throwing her tithes. So all them money they gone. Maintenance of church. We're not paying from 1966. Eh? And them thing I got. Me say yo.
From a band, them a tell me believe in a Jesus, but nobody suffer like the believers. Take away your money in the name of the Lord, and the name on the bank book don't have a Jesus. Me get it. The world cool, learn cool, dog eat dog, puppy star, bed get cut off for your sneakers. Christian country.
Yo, Kartel. You always do them things to me, bro. Like
the name of the Lord and the name on the bank book don't have a Jesus. Me get it. The world cool, learn cool, dog eat dog, puppy star, bed get cut off for your.
The world cool and dog eat what?
Take away your money in the name of the Lord and the name on the bank book don't have a Jesus. Me get it. The world cool, learn cool, dog eat dog, puppy star, bed get cut off for your sneakers. Christian country. So the something said Christian country. You see how much that gunman kill everybody, police kill everybody, and everybody say fi kill the nether everybody.
Bumbleclad. Gunman kill everybody, police kill everybody, and everybody say fi kill the other everybody. Facts.
Christian country. So the something said Christian country. You see how much that gunman kill everybody, police kill everybody, and everybody say fi kill the nether everybody.
Brother, that's why them can't like Kartel now. This is one of the reasons why Kartel is still behind bars. This is one of the main reasons why teacher is still behind bars. Because of them topic, brother.
Them a rob everybody, and everybody say fi kill the nether everybody. Politician now dead, them a rob everybody. From your mommy to your daddy, from the shatter to the squaddy.
Them a rob everybody. From your mommy to your daddy, from the shatter to the squad. Them a rob everybody. Them a rob. Cause they can. No one is held accountable for nothing these days, bro. Kartel.
Them a rap everybody from your mommy to your daddy, from the shatter to the squaddy. Yeah man, wicked world. Now practice where you preach, make the city burn. Never will the wicked learn. How you can't judge a judge, so this something set.
You can't judge a judge, I saw this something set. So a man have a job as a judge. And them up there judge people. I send people to prison. Who are going to judge him when time him go out with him free fuck with them? Who would judge him? Like, this is not a song, this is a message, bro.
But never will the wicked learn. How you can't judge a judge, so this upset.
And you know, say Nitro star in another video, but you know, so I'm not pre the video as much. I'm sure there's message in the video where I miss. So if that's the case, sorry, I'm just worked up on where Kartel say, cause I've been saying this to my friend them. I've been saying this to me every day. Me and my grandmother have argument for them something, you know. Yeah, man, every day, man. Criminal at large, we never been charged. Where you feel can't play with the big dog. Money, power, links make everything crisp. Criminal at large, we never been charged. Never been charged, and they will not be charged. Cause them a drink out of the same glass them as the shot caller. Them a eat from the same fork as the shot caller. Same parties. Same fuck parties. Yes, let me say it. And a party like where we go. Same fuck parties, them in a. I fuck each other, I fuck each other wife. And them thing them depan, brother. Them all in with the ins. Yo, this is supposed to be a reaction, but me not give a fuck. Me I talk my mind, brother. Me not give a fuck. Me I talk my mind.
Criminal at large, we never been charged.
True.
Where you feel can't play with the big dog.
No.
Money, power, links make everything crisp. Me used to think the system won't fix.
Money, power, and links. If you don't have none of them three, you get fucked. You get fucked like a prostitute at back road. If you not have none of them thing there. Money, power, or links. Once you have your money, give your links. Once you have your links, you have power. You know? Bro.
Criminal at large, we never been charged. Where you feel can't play with the big dog. Money, power, links make everything crisp. Me used to think the system won't fix. But it good, I saw it designed. The rich, the poor, the gonna fi sell, so crime fi.
Me used to think I saw it designed myself until I realized that yo, I saw it actually set. Me used to blame the system. But I saw them set the system to cater for them.
Money, power, links make everything crisp. Me used to think the system won't fix. But it good, I saw it designed. The rich, the poor, the gonna fi sell, so crime fi hide, disease fi make, vaccine fi buy food.
Kartel. The gun off itself to keep the crime rate high. The crime rate high. Me hear Andrew Wellness. Me gonna call you blood clot name, officer. Prime Minister. Me gonna call the name, brother. Me hear you say you got Haiti. You send troops cause Haiti go fight crime over there, so if you bring down the crime rate over there. So what to Jamaica? What to our people them? What going over there, sir? What going to Jamaica, my G? You not put a foot forward to stop the crime rate. Who won the war from the airport to Docks and the Bay? Can't tell the done that from how long already? Who won that? No gun factory in Jamaica. How come so much gun that come in? I don't think the G.
Me used to think the system won't fix. But it good, I saw it designed. The rich, the poor, the gonna fi sell, so crime fi hide, disease fi make, vaccine fi buy, food fi poison fi mess up your mind, mankind no kind. The heartlessness, dark, restless, time.
Food fi poison fi mess up your mind, brother. Me go in one supermarket and pick up lime, some lime. Like this one time I reach home and cut the lime, no seed in the lime. Just seedless limes. These are manufactured. They gonna grow up on tree naturally. Them are artificial lime, brother. Yeah? The fuck? Look how much farmland we have in Jamaica. And I buy foreign food there in the supermarket them. I buy foreign food I sell. If you not go downtown, go any market in a your parish or district, you not get no ground privilege and no artificial. Once you got supermarket, you get fucked. Cartel, you start me off in the brother.
Rich, the poor, the gun of sell, so crime, the high disease, the make vaccine, the buy food of the poison, the mess up your mind, mankind, no kind, the heartlessness, dark, restless, tormented, hopelessness, cope with stress, cope it west. Everybody a pre better, nobody no one suffer. Destroy whoever feel where them feel them forget.
Everybody a pre better, nobody no one suffer, and them will destroy whoever. Anybody will step on them will destroy them, forget where them think to them forget, yo.
Everybody a pre better, nobody no one suffer. Destroy whoever feel where them feel them forget. Yeah man, wicked word. Now practice where you preach, make the city burn. Never will the wicked learn. Cause you can't judge a judge. So this up. So this up.
Nice, big up yourself, my fam.
So this up.
Yo. So there's something said. Guys. Yo, I know something got in a while ago where I know something got in a while ago. But I have to. Cause it's hardly you hear an artist talk on them subject, yeah. If I'm a cartel, like you're not artists that talk on them something you're so deep, brother. And I put it in a song. You have a couple artists where we come on the media and talk about it and things like Queen Africa. Big up yourself, Mama Queen. Man like Foot on them, man, that we burn out certain things, but you not see artists go in a studio and sing about them things in a song, brother. You see me? Brother, yo, Cartel. This is why you are the teacher, bro. This is why you're there, wish why you're there. This is why you're there behind bars, brother. The lyrics them honest. Like me don't know what else we say, brother. Nitro, me know saying on the video, but me never even see the storyline behind the video, brother. I the whole thing me I watch. See me? The whole thing me I listen, sorry. Yo, but this is I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe on the video, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Up top!